Make I just explain briefly how this exchange rate will work. Just think about the dollar right now like this pen, for example, this red pen where they hold. Everybody for the country won't buy this red pen. Everybody want this red pen. It may say this red pen they valuable. And the more this red pen they valuable, the more expensive it go be. And the dollar be that. Everybody want them. Everybody they use them. The value they high compared to the local currency. So the value they increase, which means that the price they increase. And the owner of this pen, the manufacturers of the pen, fee decide, say, okay, if you don't get the money to purchase our pen, we feel loan you this pen. But as we they loan you so, remember, say you guys, they pay us X amount of money. Now, what they call interest rate be that. And currently, the United States under Trump don't increase their interest rate. Now, for us to reduce the value of this red pen, aka the dollar, it means that we guys find substitute, or we guys start to promote and buy our own pen. Let's call them this black pen. So the more we buy this black pen, the more we promote this black pen, the value of this they reduce, and then the value of this pen they increase. And now waiting them Tinubu government won't try to do with that.